I bought a disability scooter from a high street shop, and I was going across a road. It was a few months ago, and the accelerator handle got stuck. I should have said this is a reconditioned scooter that I bought from them, so it was not brand new. It had a 3-month warranty, but that had run out by the time this incident happened. And I was going across the road, and the accelerator handle got stuck on. So when a car was coming towards me, I let go, and the machine didn't stop. And I was just very, very lucky that I managed to avoid being run over on it. By wiggling the handle free. Anyway, to cut a long story short, I went back to the manufacturer because I had no faith in them fixing it. And I've got a report from the manufacturer that says that the handle was mounted wrongly, which is why it got stuck. And I'm wondering what I can do. Is it something I can go to store? Because it was a reconditioned item. Can I still, and it was out of warranty with them. How long ago was this near accident? Was it recent? It was quite a few months ago, but it was within the last year. Okay. And how long ago did you buy the scooter? Well, that was quite a long time ago. That was probably a couple of years ago, or maybe more, because I can't remember the exact date. I should have looked that up before I came on. But however, I did decide it was the wrong machine for me, and it went. I didn't have it in my possession. I gave it back to them to try and resell it because they wouldn't give me my money back. So they said they would take it into the shop to resell it, but they never did. So I took it back from them. So it hadn't been in my possession for very long. Right. How long had it been in your possession when the accident happened, or the near accident? When the accident happened, probably about 4 weeks after. So pretty soon. Okay. Yeah. All right. So even though it's a reconditioned scooter, it still has to be of satisfactory quality and fit for its purpose. And if the manufacturer is right that the accelerator handle was missupplied or fitted incorrectly, mounted incorrectly, then it's not of satisfactory quality and it's not fit for purpose. Now, the only issue, the guarantee is a red herring. The manufacturer isn't going to have to replace it under warranty. And if it's out of guarantee, the seller, the shop, doesn't have to replace it under warranty, but they've still got to sell you a scooter of satisfactory quality that's fit for purpose, and they haven't. So you are entitled to go back and say, either refund me, replace the whole scooter, or repair this scooter. Because it's been more than 6 months from you buying it, it becomes the shop's choice as to which of those three that they do. So you can't insist on a refund. You can only insist on them choosing whether to refund, replace, or repair. And if they refuse to do any of the three, you can go to the small claims court. How much did you pay for this? It was about $1,500. Okay, so it'll be a small claim. That's under £10,000 for a small claim. You can go to the small claims court, and the judge will probably say that what you will be awarded is the difference in value between what you bought, a scooter that should work, and what you got, a scooter with a dodgy accelerator handle. Have you had it remounted or repaired? I have, yeah. And how much did that cost? That cost about 270 something. Okay, fine. That makes my advice slightly different, because now it's been repaired, you're not going to be able to get a refund or a replacement, or indeed a repair. Your claim is simply suing the shop for £270, the amount you paid to get it fixed. But you will have a good claim for them against that. But what I would do is get in writing from the manufacturer that it was mounted incorrectly, or from the person who did the repair. Great. I've got that. In which case, go to the shop, say, look, you cost me 270 quid. I want that money, and if you don't give it to me, I'm going to take you to the small claims court. So I've done all that, and they've said no, and they're not taking responsibility. So do I go to small claims court? Is that the next step? Exactly right. Write to them, give them, email is fine, give them 14 days notice that you're going to do that. And you can phrase it very politely. You can say, look, shop,
I think this, you think that, we don't agree. It's an impasse. I think the only thing I'm going to be able to do is ask someone independent, like a small claims judge, to decide who's right. I'm really sorry because I don't want to go down that route, but yeah, I'm left with no choice. So I'm going to give you 14 days to change your mind. Otherwise, I'm issuing a small claim.
And if I do that, am I likely to get awarded my costs of taking it to a small claim?
You'll get back the costs of issuing the claim, which is about £35 for a claim of that value. You'll get back some money if you suffer any loss of earnings or travel costs for the day in court, but you won't get back any payments in respect of time you've spent preparing or any fees that you've paid to any lawyers.
Okay. Lovely.
Okay. All right, Jill, good luck with that.